Close the trunk and drive out the car.
Right, but why not?
You can't hold people hostage. You're not hostages.
No, stop. Yo, stop. Yo.
Oh, you're not defending.
I don't touch the boy.
Hello. What do I do?
Who down here, man?
Who don't chama?
I wish. Hello.
Yo.
I don't start nobody.
Hey. Sister.
What you do? You see how him attack him a while ago?
Security there all on the day.
Easy, sir.
Did I touch him?
It's a golab. Easy, sir.
So where them hold the man?
Yo, father. Yo. Wanna calm down.
You say I touch him?
Calm down, the big man. Calm down, the man. If you're not touching, just chill, man.
But no, you didn't
Just chill, man. Just chill. Sister. Hold it down, sister. Hold it down, man. Hold it down. Yo. This not look good in a brother.
You're sure if you get fired.
Brother. Yo.
I bet you lose the job.
Yo.
Lose the job.
Brother.
You point your gun.
Brother. You don't look good, man. Yeah, but the man about hammer.
No, send that to him.
Who you think you is?
Bravo,
Who the fuck you think you is?
Calm down, sister. Calm down.
Hey, me will shoot your pussy.
Hey, wait, yo, come on, big man.
Yo.
I see what him do to me, you know.
Pull up.
Eh?
Let me out. Hey.
Sister, calm down.
Oh, turn your back.
Calm down, sister. Calm down, sister. Calm down, sister.
No check to you. No check.
Calm down, sister. Calm
You
down.
lose a job.
You are liquor.
You.
I'm not going to say
You cannot. You cannot pull me. You cannot pull me hostage.
the police situation and that we are telling you.
I'm carrying on left yourself.
You're with your phone.
Me a video, man. You not video to man. Me a video to man.
You're mad.
Now video to man. Now take care of you. Me a give the head. You know say me have the head. That's why I can't say me have the head. Calm down, man. That me a tell you. Me a tell you for calm, man. Look how we are talk to brother. Me a tell you for calm, man. You going to have no sense be. Where you going to make the man to shoot you?
Just take it.
Brother, when you deal with something the police matter, man, not going to you want to run the place like a tenement yard be.
Big man.
Wanna stop, man.
Big man. Wait on a big man. Give me a minute there.
Idiot, you know,
Give me a minute. No, the boy come and
yeah, but you know, hold it down, man. Hold it down, man. Because them just beat the man, man. They just beat the man and I get out the gun, man.
Me?
No, me not say you, but that just reaching say my boy.
Who like my boy? Fight elder for him key. Fight elder him.
Sister, calm down, sister. Calm down, sister.
And you not supposed to treat nobody, you know, because nobody no pull no gun on no. You not supposed to
Sister, calm down.
I really think that's a deal with.
Yo, Jan, what's that? Security. Hey, brother. Security.
How are you, man? How are you? How are you?
Now, here's my first question to you, the viewers. As a security guard, is it your place to be threatening or being verbally abusive to anyone that is, especially if that person is not a threat, right? And if you don't understand why I'm asking this question, I'm going to tell you what took place here. Monday, the 2nd of July, 2018, yeah, to be specific. It's at an apartment complex in New Kingston, St. Andrew, Jamaica, right? Where all of this took place. You know, a man, by everything ending up, a man got shot, right? In the neck. But he's okay and so forth. I can't show you that footage. You know how YouTube is. Now, what I'm asking you, the viewers, right? Did Mr. Azar, which is the boss of Kingalarm Company, right? The security company, did he make the right decision taking all of these security guards off duty for the investigation of this man being hurt, right? And if they should get fired, I mean, is he doing the right thing? That's what I'm asking you. You know, in my view, it's kind of unprofessional, you know, but it's not for me to say. I'm just presenting it to you, the viewers, to give me a feedback on this one, right? Because I'm having mixed feelings about this, all right? Yeah. Anyways, Mr. Vegas was there, and I must commend him. He's always keeping the peace, and I love that. Mr. Vegas, big up yourself, from Skilla to you, and speedy recovery to the man that got hurt, Nobody, it's not a good thing to get hurt, but it is good that he's still alive, all right? Anyways, let me know what you think, and if you need to know what's going on in and around the world as normal, you have to click the subscribe button to keep up to date in what's going on, especially on the Skilla Entertainment. My name is Skilla, and that was the Skilla's Entertainment.